This 2022 Forest River Cherokee Wolfpack 365 PACK16 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 43 feet 7 inches in length and features sleeps 8, oven, carbon monoxide detector, external shower, stovetop burner, auxiliary battery, water heater, microwave, leveling jacks, spare tire kit, awning, and 100-gal fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, front bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Forest River Cherokee Wolfpack 365 PACK16 is 12,443 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.